Hey guys, if you got crypto sitting in your wallet and you want to move it into Skrill for online payments or withdrawals, here's how to do it the right way. First, log into your Skrill account and make sure your identity and payment methods are fully verified. Skrill has tightened its KYC or Know Your Customer checks this year, so unverified accounts can't receive crypto transfers or make exchanges. Next, go to the crypto tab on the left panel, then tap Deposit or Add Funds. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency. Skrill supports Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and several stablecoins depending on your country. Now, you'll see a unique crypto wallet address. Copy that address carefully. It's one-time use and specific to your Skrill account. Then, from your external wallet, like Binance, Coinbase, or MetaMask, send the desired amount to that address. After the blockchain confirms your transaction, Skrill automatically converts it into your account's default currency, like USD, EUR, or pound sterling, minus a small conversion fee. Pro tip, always send crypto during low network traffic hours to reduce transaction fees, and double check the address before confirming. You can also use Skrill's built-in converter if you want to swap your crypto between different coins after that deposit. Once the funds appear, you can use them instantly to pay freelancers, transfer money, or make online purchases. No waiting, no traditional bank delays. That's it. Your crypto is now available in your Skrill wallet, ready for anything. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.